Today we are going to switch things up a bit. As you guys know, I have a series called Garage Sale Finds where I hop around garage sales, buy cheap computers, and see what I can do with them. Well, today we're going to flip that around and I'm actually going to be selling computers because I have so much back there, so many systems in inventory that I can no longer do Garage Sale Finds videos because I have nowhere to store the computers. There's just no room left back there. Also, I have a bunch of, really at this point, just junk left. From the auction hauls. So if you look right here, I have about, let's see, 30 keyboards, I think, a bunch of cables, and some other miscellaneous stuff from the last auction haul. That's where I bought 100 desktops. If you want to check out that video, it is on the channel. Actually, I'll put the link to that video down in the description if anyone's interested in that. But yeah, I picked up 100 desktops. They came with 100 keyboards. I sold the desktops, but I did not manage to sell the keyboards because no one wants old, nasty, crusty keyboards on eBay. So those have just been sitting here. And if we go back here, past the bathroom, and into the closet, yes, there are a ton of computers hiding back there. You just can't see them because they're covered in junk right now. So I know for sure that I want to get rid of this. This is a Dell Inspiron, I believe. I don't know the specs off the top of my head, but this acted as the Minecraft server for a little bit. And I pulled it down and never really used it after that. So there's a solid state drive in this one that I got to pull out, but we'll be selling this PC. This one's staying. This one is the web server, for now anyway. I do plan on replacing that with this Azul machine right here, which is much more efficient, much quieter. And it should make a pretty good server. So that's a video coming up in the near future. There's some towers back there, towers right here that we're going to get rid of, and a couple laptops down there along with some monitors. In these boxes, there's a bunch of stuff that I need to get rid of. And if you look up here, in every single one of those boxes, there are computer parts that we need to sell. So lots and lots of work ahead of me. First I need to get all this stuff out of here, so cue the time lapse. So we are almost there right now. As you can see, I got most of everything out of the closet. I still have to sort everything. At the moment, I'm just pulling parts out of these computers that I think will be useful in the future. So for example, I put a 120 gigabyte ADATA SSD in this system. That definitely needs to be pulled out before I sell this thing. Some of these computers work, some of them do not. So this one is in working order actually. As you can see, that Dell right there is missing a power supply, but I believe besides that it works. That one right there does not work. I'm just going to be giving that away for free. I got a case right here. I'm probably going to sell for like $1. And then that E-machine down there is functional, but I might pull that power supply. So I got a little bit of work to do before I can make all of this stuff sellable. Alright, so everything is all set up. Now let's see what we can get rid of. So we have the $10 pile right here with a couple of desktops, keyboard, brand new power supply. $5 pile right here with some monitors, desktop, a couple computers. $1 pile with some miscellaneous junk. 50 cents keyboards, I have a lot of them, and then the free pile. So it's 11:30 right now, about 2.5 hours later, and let me tell you guys, things have been extremely successful. As you guys can see, I have sold absolutely nothing, and I've moved like half the stuff to the for free pile. It is the hour of suburban lawn mowing here at 1 o'clock, and I think this is going to end up being a failure video because no one has bought a single thing, and I used air quotes because everything is free now, and it is advertised as free on that sign that someone took down, and over there on the lamppost all the way down there. So this is going great. I think we're gonna have to make a trip to Goodwill after this because literally nothing is selling at all. As you guys can hear in the background, we are still in the realm of lawn mowing hour. It is currently 2:45 right now, and I am done for today. So These two are going to the recycling center. Everything else is going to Goodwill. We're just going to donate all this stuff because, you know, what am I going to do with 40 keyboards and like 5 DVD drives? Or how many do I have left? Because someone did come and actually take some. So I got 3 DVD drives left, monitors going to Goodwill. And of course, all the keyboards. No one took any keyboards, even though I offered those up for free. And I don't blame them because they are kind of crusty and gross. So that was a little bit disappointing. Definitely didn't do as well as I had hoped. I didn't make any money off of this stuff, and I wasn't really aiming to make any money off of this stuff because I've already made my money back from the videos. You know, I just wanted to sell these to get rid of them. And I was hoping more people, you know, would come by and actually be interested in these systems, but that did not turn out to be the case. So that's going to be about it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next installment of A Computers and Technology.